Hi, today I'm going to show you around this absolutely wonderful 68 plated Porsche Macan automatic. Now this is the 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine, fantastic on fuel, great horsepower, and this car has over £8,000 with the factory options, and to add the cherry onto that cake has only done 22,000 miles. So the car's finished in the gloss black paintwork and it's sat on the quintessential 21-inch RS Spyder alloy wheels. Now they are a £3,300 factory option. They also have the crested centre caps. Externally we have the privacy glass in the rear, and I've not seen this on one of these cars yet, but it's got the 360 surround cameras. So we've got a nice camera on the front there. This one also has the front and rear aluminium trim plates on the bottom of the bumpers. Very nice. So externally, some wonderful features. Now when we get to the rear of the car, it's a facelift car, so we've got the new rear end there as when the 992 came out on the Porsche, and then electric tailgate, a nice set of tailored mats in there, lovely boot, a very well cared for car this. Parking sensors front and rear. Tyres are all absolutely wonderful. We've got 2 keys, and then when I open the door, Dom, have a look in here. We've got the garnet red and black leather interior. Now the seat, the driver's seat, is electric, heated and memory. We've got 22,575 miles as I get in, 2 keys in my hand.
All boxing gloves.
Now, this later model has the updated satellite navigation system. We've got lane change warning, heated seats as I said. We've got active suspension management as well, sport button, automatic transmission, paddle shift. Fully loaded, wonderful car. I don't think there's a nicer SUV, more sporty derived than these particular cars on the market. The 4-cylinder fuel efficient engine married to the silky smooth PDK gearbox, it's just absolutely as you would want it to be. The leather contrast there, red and black, garnet red and black, as you would again. Very nice. All the books etc are with the car, the tracker codes etc are also in there. We've got 2 of those, 2 of those. So everything that was supplied new to the original keeper is here today, which is absolutely as you would. But again, where do you find a 22,000 mile 4-year-old 68 plate Porsche as nice as that? Great colour combination. If you need any more information, give us a call. Dominic's on the camera, I'm Graham, and we've got Lee as well. Come and have a look. This is a wonderful car. If you want to reserve it, give me a call, I'll explain how we can do it. If you've got a part exchange or you require finance, we can do everything remotely, over the phone, by email, so that when you come to Wigan, you only need to come once and you can drive it away in the same day. But as for now, thanks for watching this video and I look forward to your inquiry.